Hi guys, I'm Ovnish here from 23 Ovitech. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020. So let's check it out. Damn, this looks exactly like an iPhone 8. If I don't have an iPhone 8 side by side with this device, I wouldn't notice any differences. But there are few differences. First is the color. Because I used to own a white iPhone 8, but since I sold it, I'm going to use the white iPhone 10 as a reference because it's very similar to the white iPhone 8. As you can see, both these devices are white, but both of it has two different tones. The iPhone 10 has an eggshell white tone, whereas the iPhone SE is a very bright white tone. The next thing you can see is they have removed the iPhone label and they have shifted the Apple logo to the center, like the current iPhone lineup, which is the 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Now let's talk about the front of the SE. At the front, you get the OG top bezels and the bottom bezels with the fingerprint scanner, which to be honest, I really miss it because due to MCO, we have to wear a mask everywhere we go out, so Face ID doesn't work with the mask. So Apple, if you are seeing this video, please add a Face ID and in-screen fingerprint scanner on the next iPhone. So since that's done, let's talk about this iPhone SE specs and features. I'm not going to bore you with the spec list, so if you want to know, you can watch it on the screen. But overall, this is the phone to get if you just want a new iPhone that will last you for a few years but don't want to pay a lot for it. The iPhone SE 2020 offers a decent but not top-end performance with a good camera, enough power and a great app store to plunder, and a lighter iPhone than recent models. Battery life and screen tech could be better. The headphone jack is a miss, but for the price, this is one of the best iPhone Apple has ever made. Since that's done, let's see some pictures and video that I took using both the front and main cameras. Since the front-facing camera doesn't have slow fees like the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and Pro Max, let's try the main camera slow-mo in 240 frames per second in 1080. So let's check it out. Now I'm going to try the back camera's video stabilization. Now I'm walking, so it seems fine in 1080. So let's start running. Now let's try in 4K 30 frames per second. Now I'm walking, it looks fine. So I'm going to start running. So that's my first impression of the iPhone SE 2020. That's all for today. Catch you in the next one. Peace!